I'm Sherry.
Hello, I'm Vanya. Wow, Sherry, you're so beautiful today, especially your makeup. How can you keep your skin so good?
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. I just having a hydro dermabrasion treatment.
Hydro dermabrasion? Oh, I heard about it, but not really clearly. Can you share with me? Because my skin is not really good recently. Can I make up immediately after using it?
Of course, after having a hydro dermabrasion treatment, the skin is moisturized, and at this time makeup is easier and better. I think hydro dermabrasion treatment is very easy to use, and it's a very good beauty device for facial skincare.
Facial skincare?
Yes.
Really? How long can I get the effect?
The effect can be seen at once. After 3 courses, the effect will be more obvious.
At once can be seen the effect. How often do I need to do it?
Generally, hydro dermabrasion needs to be done frequently, every 7 or 10 days. But the time of different skins will be different.
I have another question. How to choose the hydrofacial treatment?
Yes, according to your skin condition, the beautician will give you some suggestions.
But my skin is sensitive. Also can I use it?
Of course, just change the water in the bottle into the purified water or cyanide. That's okay.
Okay. Sherry, I noticed that your skin is getting wet. Does it have a whitening skin function? I just know the single hydro dermabrasion is only deep cleaning, removing blackness, HPT, oil, and dirt imports, right?
Yes, of course. But if it is a compositing multifunctional instrument, which can not only nourish, moisturize, but also whiten your skin.
You see, the hydro dermabrasion can whiten skin. Can you use it for shrinking pores? You know, it's important to go.
Yes, of course. The special designed spiral head act on the skin and produce extremely small bubbles and let the nutrient solution entirely cover on your skin and promoting peel and shrinking pores. Please give me your hands.
Okay.
Let me show you. Like this. This is the bottom. This is the suction.
Okay.
This to cover your skin. Just wait 3 seconds. You can see the water.
Yeah. It looks so interesting.
Yes.
I have another question. What should I do after hydrofacial?
Only 2 things. The first one is to protect your skin from suffering sunburn.
Sunburn?
Yes. And the second one is to keep your skin moisturizing.
Okay, I see. Moisturizing. It sounds so great, but I still have a little worry. What are the side effects of the hydrofacial? Maybe make my skin red or swollen?
When you use hydro dermabrasion, you must know the correct operation methods, especially the suction and strength.
Suction and strength?
Yeah, probably suction and strength is very important, but don't worry, the red and swollen will disappear.
So interesting. I would like to try it. How much it costs the hydrofacial?
In China, about 100 to 300 RMB at a time.
At a time?
Yeah.
I think it's a little expensive for me. So, how about you buy one?
It depends on where you use it. If you use it at home, I prefer you to choose the small one, less function but very convenient. If you use it at your beauty salon, the professional machine will be better because it has more functions.
I use for personal. I think the small one should go for me. I've learned more about the hydro dermabrasion. So thank you for your sharing.
My pleasure. That's all for today. Bye bye.
Bye.